Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the HYRTA Displaylink USB-C docking station. This dock is perfect for maximizing your workspace. Let's go over the features that make it stand out. Triple monitor support. The HYRTA Docking Station allows for triple monitor support via HDMI and VGA ports, delivering high-quality video output. You can now connect two external monitors and enjoy 4K HD resolution on your displays for both work and entertainment. 12-in-1 versatile connectivity. With a total of 12 ports, this dock offers everything you need for expanded connectivity. From HDMI and VGA to USB 3.0 Ethernet and SDNTF card slots, this docking station is a true multitasking tool. HDMI port with 4K resolution. The HDMI port supports 4K resolution at 60 Hz, providing crystal clear visuals and smooth frame rates, perfect for streaming videos, presentations, or even gaming on a high-resolution monitor. Gigabit Ethernet. Stay connected with Gigabit Ethernet, delivering fast and stable wired internet speeds up to 1000 Mbps, ideal for streaming, gaming, or when you need a reliable connection for work. Broad compatibility. Whether you're using a MacBook Pro or Air, Dell, HP, or another laptop, this dock is designed for wide compatibility. It works with both USB-C and USB-A laptops, making it an all-in-one solution for any workspace. Whether you need multiple displays or fast data transfer, this dock has you covered. Check out the link below for more details and make the switch to docking station today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates